In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your OneXBet account in Korea. So when you're done downloading your OneXBet app on your Play Store or Apple Store, you click on register. After clicking on register, you click on phone. Then you can go ahead and fill in all your details correctly, including your country. So when you do that, your currency too automatically changes. So on the promo code section, you input your promo code Chelsea TV. After putting your promo code Chelsea TV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit 10,000 Korean won, you get 30,000 Korean won. Then you can go ahead and click on these three boxes below, and then you register. Very easy.